Hi guys, so tonight I'm gonna be eating Jollibee. So I got like a bunch of stuff. I got chicken barbecue sandwich. I'm gonna eat that first. I think I got like 4 or 3. I got like a bunch of ketchup. And I also got pies like tuna, spicy, and regular pie, and 2-piece chicken. Then I got fries, and I actually reheated the fries, and I got nuggets. I think I got ranch for the sauce for the nuggets. So this is only sauce and the chicken patty. And bun. Let me try the first. Ketchup. I'm gonna open a few of these packets. Opening this ketchup packet reminds me of Greenwich pizza. Opening a packet of Greenwich pizza ketchup sauce. They did not label if it's original or spicy, but I ordered 3 spicy one and 1 original one, so I'm not sure which one is which. So yeah, there's no label. I'm actually gonna try this one first. I'm guessing this is original. Yeah, it's not spicy. So that means 3 of these is a spicy one. They're all spicy now. Ooh. I'll try this one. Yeah, this is spicy. Is that a mushroom? There's mushroom. It reminds me of chicken pot pie. It tastes a little bit like this too. Chicken pot pie is within the bread. It's like there's crust all around it like a pie. And then there's carrots, celery, chicken, like chicken soup. But it's in the pie. So it tastes a little bit like this. Except this is tuna. I'm full. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.